Let's do a quick and dirty on how hormone replacement therapy can mess with psychiatric medications. Watch for our Brain Trash podcast because we have a whole series on hormones coming up, explaining the cycle, explaining birth control, all of like kind of the nuanced things about hormone replacement therapy. Like it really goes into depth over 3 episodes. But testosterone can clear out medications a lot faster. So for folks who start taking testosterone, if they were on a stimulant and it was working great, now all of a sudden it might be lasting like 5 hours instead of 10 hours because it's just clearing faster. SSRIs don't work as well anymore. It really like pushes down serotonin and it boosts up dopamine. Things like Wellbutrin might work a little bit better, but SSRIs not so great. SNRIs might be better. The stimulant might be more potent, but it might just kind of blow through a lot faster. So the dosing and the timing might need to be adjusted. As far as estrogen and progesterone, it's so hard to say because everyone responds so differently depending on your like baseline neurotransmitters and how sensitive you are at baseline. There's just so many complicating factors. But overall, estrogen makes your psych meds stay in your body longer, a lot of the psych meds at least. So we might need to lower doses of a lot of those things, and then stimulants might feel extra potent. Also a higher possibility of antipsychotics causing lactation. So Abilify might be a better option than some of the other ones at that point. Sensory issues can get worse during estrogen or with hormone blockers, spironolactone. And then also looking at spironolactone, like that can mess with lithium levels. It can mess with the prolactin, as I talked about before, and then it can make your SSRIs or SNRIs feel a lot stronger. So those things might actually need to be decreased. Depending on like ratios of things and baseline spironolactone and estrogen together, that might cause the stimulant to go either way. It really needs to be tracked though, and you need a provider who's going to acknowledge the fact that hormones do affect all of these medications.